Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by tying visuals to decisions, not decoration. Define 1 to 3 concrete goals so each graphic answers a question. Once done, clean and normalize your inputs. That reduces misleading scales and shrinks noise that hides signal. Make sure to choose a chart type that matches your data shape: lines for trends, heat maps for matrices, bars for comparisons. Then prepare a minimal example dataset so you can iterate fast. You now map data to visual channels deliberately. Color for categories, size for magnitude, position for order. That makes patterns pop. Use perceptual color scales to preserve interpretability and avoid rainbow illusions. Once mapped, layer uncertainty, confidence intervals, or error bars so viewers trust the message. Make sure to annotate salient points and include concise legends. If interactive, add hover details. If static, freeze the most informative view and tighten axis ranges for clarity. You finish by polishing labels, ticks, and typography so the graphic reads at a glance. Once done, export vector formats like SVG or PDF for printing and high-res PNGs for web, and embed metadata for reproducibility. Make sure to test colorblind palettes and small screen legibility. Those checks catch common failures. If something still looks wrong, the key troubleshooting tip: simplify, remove layers until the core pattern reappears. Then rebuild gradually to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.